Ayan, a healthy good day everyone. Once again, this is Coach Dinah, and today, I am going to share to you the importance of reading nutritional labels and what is the importance of doing so, and how it's associate no on our healthy diet to choose variety of foods which we are going to purchase and intake. Okay? So, I have a question. Do you buy an instant or packed food? No, certainly yes. Kasi as of today, most of the food which we are purchasing, are readily packed, para mas madali siya, easy to cook and easy to eat. When left with no choice but to use instant, or even packed foods, let us study the nutritional labels to guide you. Kasi people really look at food labels for a variety of reasons. And so many consumers would like to know how to use this information effectively and easily. But it is really important for us to understand and intentionally know how to read the nutritional labels. This is to make quick, informed, for us on our food decisions, to make you choose a healthy diet food. Okay, so it is a quick rule of thumbs up for your choices would be as follows. So it should be low in calories, high in protein, and low in fat. Okay? So the decision made in order would lead for a better choice. So let us study this chart. Ayan. Okay. So if we are going to purchase, there are three kind of can, There are corresponding label on it, label of a canned tuna. So the first canned, it has 418 calorie per can, and its protein has 26 grams. So medyo mataas naman yung protein niya, and the fat is 76%. Okay, and the other one is 198 calorie per can, and it has mas higher yung kanyang protein. It has 32 grams of protein, and it has 25% of fat. And the other one is much lesser, 147 calorie per can, and it has 37 grams of protein and has 0% fat. So if we are going to decide which among the three we are going to purchase, we are going to intake or consume, so it lead for you a better choice. So which among of the three you are going to buy. So it's clearly you will purchase the number 3 can, kasi if you can observe, much lower ang kanyang calorie compared with the other 2 cans, but the protein content has higher among the 3, which is really more beneficial kasi we know naman the importance of protein. So that is really intentionally, we really have to intake the protein depend on our kilogram. So mas malaking contribution na siya on our daily consumption for protein. And the fat, look at this one, okay? Yung fat has 0, so you can choose, the number 3. So it's depend on your, kasi naman siya, much lower ang kanyang fat, or 0 fat. Anyway, you can eat naman some other good sources of fat, but you can also limit your food intake by ingesting calorie on your body. So if you will, it's okay naman to eat this one, just lessen na lang the 198 calorie, less doon sa prescribed calorie mo in a day, higher naman ang kanyang protein, and it has 25 grams of omega 3. Anyway, it's omega 3 naman. Ito much higher na kasi siya. So, if we eat more than the prescribed, even though it's an omega-3, we will end up consuming bad fats. Okay. So, question. Who do you know who loves to eat an instant or packed food? So, no, unfortunately, no, sometimes it is our loved ones, our family, and even our kids, no? We really have to be more knowledgeable and more keen to it, lalo na sa ating mga mother. We really have to look at the back, the nutritional labels and facts, nutrition facts at the back of the item that we are purchasing. Okay, for the benefits of our loved ones. Ayan. So that's it. That's all about the reading of nutritional labels. Okay, so thank you once again. So this is just a simple act of sharing, but I believe a simple act of sharing has the potential to save life. Thank you, and see you in our next talking points.